Wormholes suck in things, leaving them to never be seen again, right? Wrong.
There may be a way we can travel to other universes through them, but how?
Einstein's theory of relativity states that space and time make up everything that isn't planets, stars, galaxies, and other planetary bodies together, and that they're different everywhere.
Rather than the former theory that space was like a thick, unmoving board, Einstein proposed that it was much more like a waterbed, much more elastic and malleable.
Each body in the universe has a mass, and the bodies put pressure on the elastic space, warping it.
If a body is heavy enough, it could rip and bend space like a black hole, joining two different locations together, which you could cross faster than light.
According to general relativity, they exist, theoretically. In short, wormholes are shortcuts from one location to another. String theorists hypothesize that the universe is just a three-dimensional surface, a part of a superuniverse with 9 spatial dimensions.
This would mean that our known universe would be like a sheet of paper among all other alternate universes with the same formula, which are all a part of one big whole universe.
These are called membranes, and there is no direct evidence to prove that they exist. Einstein bridges say that every black hole is a portal to an infinite parallel universe.
Black holes are created by condensing of stars until they collapse into a black hole.
We are made to believe that black holes are one-way barriers where things get sucked in and nothing can escape.
Not even light.
The Einstein-Rosen bridge theory states that these black holes are massive enough to warp space-time so much that it reaches another membrane universe where time runs backwards.
In our universe, the things that fall into the black hole could come out the other universe in a white hole where things are spit out rather than sucked in.
Even Hawking stated, "If you ever feel like you're in a black hole, don't give up. There's a way out."
According to Hawking, black holes do not keep all the information it absorbs.
The Hawking radiation theory states that black holes thermally create and emit subatomic particles until they lose all their energy and evaporate.
This means that they are not entirely black and do not last forever.
According to quantum physics, each subatomic particle is unique, and 2 different subatomic particles could act on each other even at great distances.
That means that subatomic particles in our universe could be acting on other subatomic particles from the same substance in another universe.
Hawking is saying that the subatomic particles are not lost when they enter the black hole, just broken down.
He stated that the particles that enter the black hole may seem like they disappear in our universe, but could exist in another, emitted in another.
Now that scientists know more about wormholes, they may be able to create a man-made wormhole in space.
They could use these wormholes for many different things.
Such as, if an event that could destroy our universe came upon us, we could use the wormhole to help save everyone by escaping.
Scientists create a magnetic wormhole that applies the laws of wormhole into a device.
They could send magnetic waves from one point to another, rendered by magnetic forces, which proves the math of wormholes.
If we were to perfect the use of wormholes, we could travel to parallel universes to avoid these events, travel faster than light, gather research from different planets and galaxies, and even create invisibility cloaks.
This means that according to Einstein-Rosen bridges and the Hawking radiation theory, we could say that it might be possible for wormholes to exist and for them to be portals into parallel universes.